Hi there, students. Cagey, an adjective. Cagily, the corresponding adverb. Notice it can also be spelt C-A-G-Y, but it's more common with an E. So cagey means unwilling to give information to somebody because of caution or suspicion. To be careful about what information to give and what information not to give. He was very cagey when interviewed by the police. He answered their questions cagily. If you are under suspicion, it is best to be cagey about what you say. So, cagey, uncommunicative, hesitant or unwilling to give information. Now, we can also use cagey to mean intelligent, shrewd, crafty. He's a cagey lawyer and so wins many of his cases. You have to be cagey if you want to win this competition. And I think here the idea is being smart by knowing what you can say and what you can't say. So, cagey, wary, careful, not open, not frank. The politician gave cagey answers to the reporter's questions. He was evasive and reticent to answer. He gave a very cagey reply. He answered the questions cagily. The spokesperson was cagey about what the company's plans for the future were. So cagey, this is when you don't really want to answer or give information away because you're not sure how that information is going to be used and if it could be used against you. So you're wary, you're careful, you give away as little as possible. Notice cagey is fairly informal. I think I'd probably give it a 4 informality. It sounds great in an informal conversation. I think more formally I'd say something like wary, careful about what to say, reticent to answer, reticent to give information. And what about the origin? Well, the only thing I could find out about the origin is originally it came from the US. But to me, the idea is all of your answers, all of your information is a cage, and you only let out very little bits. So, cagey, unwilling to answer, nervous about what information you can and can't give. Cagey. So, is Nicolas Cage cagey? I don't know. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cagey.